Starting a new job today, taking down a structural wall in Whitford. So we're just getting set up now, got skips on the drive, just getting our props in, tools in, all that sort of stuff. This is the wall that's coming down. So the previous owner had like a TV entertainment wall on it. So that's all coming out. I'll show you on the other side. It's quite an awkward one, this. Because the customer wants the wall coming out. They don't want to reveal on this end, so they want it flush. So the engineers spec a steel post down onto the foundation, bolted down, but they don't want that sticking out either, so that's got to be sunk into the wall. The same on the other end. They want to keep it nice and flush, so we're going to have to break into that as well, put the sinker post in there, and that's got to go down to a foundation. So that could potentially have a padstone there. We'll have to dig one out. So yeah, we're gonna we'll get our bits in first. We'll take the ceilings down. We'll take a little bit down, just do a bit of investigating, find out what's going on. Oh, the other thing, they don't want. The customer doesn't want to have a bulkhead coming down here, so this has got to be cut. We've got to prop both sides of the floor above, cut the joists back, and then countersink it in. So we'll show you all that as well. Keep you posted. Cam's going to start taking the skirtings off, and we'll get some of this stud wall off. See what we're dealing with then. Right, we've just done a little bit of investigating, and the joist run and they bear on this wall both sides, and that wall stops there, so we literally just got to support the floor joists upstairs. So we're going to get the acros propped up now. show you what we've done. So we've got 1, 2, 4 acros this side. We've got the fan set up. Same this side. So that wall can safely be removed now. So yeah, we'll get masked up, get the fan switched on, and then we start taking the wall down. Right, that's coming down the wire. Let's have a little look. Right, we are back on the Whitford knock-through project. So we've got the steels coming. Got the steels coming in the next half an hour, so we need to get prepared. The other day we noticed there's 2 pipes right in the way where we need to be, so what we've done, turned the stopcock off. And we've just drained the hot and cold down, switched the boiler off, turn that off as well, and we're going to cut the pipes, cap them off. We're going to put 2 holes in the RSJ, and then the plumber can yeah, reconnect up after. Right, we've got to do a little bit more prepping on this. We need to cut the plaster back a little bit, so we've got a bit of room so we can get these hangers on, so I'm just marking it out and cutting that off now with a multi-tool. Steels are coming in. Just found them in the ceiling, look. Who remembers them, the old B&H Golds? They've got to be 10 years old, haven't they? So this is the process that we've got to do. That was a triple there, so that was a hard work. So it's got to do the same all the way along. And then that steel sit nicely up in the ceiling there.
Well, I'll tell you how we're getting on. We're pretty much there on this one. So that's been bolted down to that pad stone. We've got the upright goalpost steel, countersunk in the wall, so that's nice and flush. top plate's welded to the post and that's bolted to that top beam. That's a 152, 23 I think. So all them joists have been cut back and we've countersunk that in the ceiling. So you just bolt straight over the top of that and you don't have a bulkhead on show. We've got the same detail the other side. Top plate welded, that's bolted to the top. Post has been countersunk in the wall. And this one goes down to the foundation. So we're going to encase that in concrete. We've sandwiched that steel with timbers either side. We've got 5x2 treated timber and we've drilled through them and bolted it to the steel. And then these joists, got standard joist hangers, the twist nails, 30mm twist nails. We had to disconnect them pipes because the plumber's not got no space now. We've put him a couple of holes in 50-60mm. I think we've done it. It's allowed for a bit of lagging because obviously the water pressure in the pipes when it's live, it can rattle about and it can end up fraying and splitting against the steel, so a bit of lagging around that to protect it. We also, this last one, this last floor joist, we couldn't, same the other end, we couldn't get a joist hanger on that. So what we've done is we've extended, we've notched around the steel and we've extended it back about 800mm. Because it's tight to the wall, we had to use coach bolts, so coach bolts that side, coach screws, sorry, and same there, we've notched around that side and we've bolted it there. So building inspector's coming out tomorrow. Once this is signed off, it can be boarded up then.